Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to disable autocorrect misspelled words on Windows 11. So guys, if you want to disable and remove autocorrect misspelled words, so just you have to follow two steps. First one, open settings, left click on settings. Now time and language, typing, and turn off this option, autocorrect misspelled words. Slide to off position. So this way guys you can disable and remove autocorrect misspelled words in Windows 11. Just follow two steps. Firstly, open this setting, and second one, turn off this option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.